English tip by tip.
Tip 35. How much? Non-countable. Always singular. How much time do we have to learn English? Time. Non-countable. We have 2 months to learn English before the trip. How much are those shoes? Money. Non-countable. Just $20. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? Sugar. Non-countable. No sugar, please. How much traffic was there on the way to work? Traffic. Non-countable. Too much. How many? Countable. Has plural form. How many hours do you study every day? Hours. Countable. I study 4 hours every day. How many dollars does it cost? Dollars. Countable. Just $20. How many sugar spoons do you want? Spoons. Countable. No sugar, please. How many cars did you pass on the way? Cars. Countable. Too many. Tip 35. Exercise. Fishing. I want 5 apples.
How many apples do you want?
I want 5 apples. It costs $5.
How much does it cost?
It costs $5. I love you a lot.
How much do you love me?
I love you a lot. I have 1 dog and 1 cat.
How many pets do you have?
I have 1 dog and 1 cat. 5 children are joking.
How many children are joking?
5 children are joking. 3 spoons, please.
How much sugar do you want?
3 spoons, please.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.